What is the muscular movement? The movement is involvement by the muscle and skeleton. The type of movement is called as a muscular movement. The movement is called as a muscular movement. So highly developed chordates or individuals are shown this muscular type of movement. What is the muscular movement? The contraction of the muscle for helpful for the movement. Helpful for the movement is known as a muscular movement. This type of movements occurs or presence are there in which one? Chordates. Highly developed individual not vertebrates. Chordates means all of the individuals. Chordates. So the chordates, these are shown. These are containing which one the muscles can be classified into 3 types according to their what is the structure and position and what is that their of nature. According to their nature, position and structure, the muscles in human physiology, the muscles can be classified into 3 types. First one is muscles. According to first one the muscles, how many muscles are there in our body? 640 muscles are there. How many? The human beings, the body is completely made by 640 different type of muscles are there. So these muscles are useful for give a particular structure of the body, are commonly known as the building blocks of the human body. And we know that. Okay, so the muscles are useful for the locomotion. So according to their structure, position and what is that nature, these are classified into 3 types. Let's start discussing each and everything. First one is skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle. Here. Second one is visceral muscle. Third one is cardiac muscle. First one, skeletal muscle, visceral muscle, cardiac muscle. How many muscles are there? 640 muscles are there. The largest muscle is called as a gluteus maximum. The smallest muscle is called as a gluteus minimum. Okay. So what is the skeletal muscle? So according to the skeletal muscle, our body consists of huge amount of the body containing huge amount of the skeletal muscles are there. Skeletal muscles are there. So these muscles are called as a involuntary muscle. These muscles are called as a voluntary muscle. Are you clear? These muscles are called as a voluntary muscle for the movement. So these muscles are cylinder-like structure. Which like structure? Cylinder-like structure. So let's see the detailed information about the skeletal muscle. Okay, the skeletal muscles are commonly known as a cylindrical muscles. Muscles are called as a cylindrical muscles. Okay, clear. So these are containing more number of the stripes are there. This muscle is consistent of more number of what I'm saying stripes are there. So this muscle is called as a striated muscle. This muscle, note down everyone, this muscle is containing more stripes. More number of the stripes are there. These stripes are present. So this type of muscles are called as a striate muscles. Muscles are called as a striate muscle. Striate muscles. What is the stripes? There is a muscle containing 2 stripes. How many? 2 stripes are there. In this muscle fiber consistent of 2 stripes, dark band and white band. This muscle, let's see the muscle ultrastructure of the muscle fiber. This muscle fiber consistent of the dark stripe so it is look like a cylinder like structure. The dark stripes are there. So the dark stripes are there is a prominently appears in the outside of the body. So these are called as a striped muscle. These are called as a striped muscle. So these muscles, this is dark band. This stripe is called as a look like a dark in color. So this is called as a dark bonds. This is called as a dark bonds. In between of the two dark bonds, is white is there. That white is known as a white bonds. The white stripe is called as a white bond. In between of the two dark bonds, have a white stripe is there. The white stripe is called as a white bond. The white stripe is called as a white one. What is the dark bond? In this muscle fiber region, there heavy bonds are there. That is known as a white and dark bonds are there. So these white and dark bonds are prominently appears in the outside of the muscle fiber. So this type of muscles are called as a straight muscle. So this dark bond and white bonds are present. So this muscle is called as a, this muscle is attached to the, which muscle? The skeletal muscle. This muscle is attached to the skeleton. To the skeleton. The muscle is directly attached to the skeleton. So this muscle is attached to the skeleton. So this type of muscles are called as a skeletal muscle. These muscles are called as a skeletal muscle. So the muscle is attached to the skeleton. So the type of muscle is skeletal muscle. So the muscle is attached to the skeleton by which region? The muscle is attached to the skeleton in the region of tendon. The region of the tendon. The tendon is a binding site in between of the muscle and the skeleton. What is that? The muscle is, note down, muscle is attached or bind with bone in which region? Tendon region. In which region? Tendon region. So the tendon is called as a binding site of the muscle. The tendon is called as a binding site of the muscle. Muscle and bone. Let's see the diagram about the musculoskeletal system. So left, if you draw what is the bone? First the bone. So this is a bone. There is no muscle. The bone is directly fused with. The bone is directly attached to the muscle. The muscle. This is one is a muscle. This one is muscle. This is a bone. First one, the muscle is attached to the one of the side. This side is called as a tendon. So the muscle is attached to the tendon. The bone is attached to the tendon. So the binding site in between of the bone and muscle. The binding site in between of the bone and muscle is called as a tendon. It is called as a binding site is located in between of the bone and muscle region. So it is called as a binding site. So these shown high contractions. This muscle, which one? The skeletal muscle shown high contractions, rapid contract. High means it is shown rapid movement, rapid contractions, high contractions, high contraction. Okay. The internal structure of the muscle, internal structure of the skeletal muscle is consistent of a, what is that? Ovoid nucleus, and rich amount of the mitochondria is consistent of a single nucleus and uninucleus and rich amount of the mitochondria. Rich amount of, what are they? Mitochondria. Mitochondria are present in muscle region. Which amount of the mitochondria are there? For give a instant energy. For these are mitochondria are called as a powerhouse of the cell. So these are movement. Which movement? These are shown rapid contraction. So this rapid contraction needs energy. So the energy is produced by the mitochondria. The mitochondria are there in muscle region. So the type of muscles have some of the mitochondria. So and next one. These are shown highly fatigue. What is the meaning of the high fatigue? High fatigue nothing but the lacking of oxygen sufficient. There is no sufficient of oxygen level in the muscle region or blood stream. The lacking of the what is the oxygen level in the bloodstream region, the rapid contraction of the muscles are not getting sufficient of the oxygen. So the due to lacking of the oxygen, the muscles are producing what is that acetylcholine. Sorry, the muscles are producing what is that lactic acid. Sorry, I'm very sorry. So the muscles are the lacking of the oxygen, the muscles are producing lactic acid. So the lactic acid, when it is formed, the muscles will become tight and will convert into pain, with their condition into pain in condition. So that is called as the muscle fatigue. Fatigue nothing but it is a weak in condition, the lacking of the oxygen. So the muscle, the rapid contraction will be slow by the due to presence of what is the lactic acid. So that is leads into painful. What are the painful muscles? If you are not participated any what is a running or marathon, and if you are suddenly participating any marathon and running, the muscles are rapidly contraction. After completion of that marathon, the muscles will become tight and pain. So that is called as a muscle fatigue. Yes. So the muscle is covered by the muscle fiber. The muscle fiber is covered by outermost covering membrane. Very important. The muscle fiber is covered by the outermost covering membrane is called as a plasma lemma. Outermost covering membrane is called as a plasma lemma. The inner side of the muscle consistent of the fluid is called as a cytoplasmic fluid. The cytoplasmic fluid is called as a plasma. What is that? Cytoplasmic fluid. Or called as a that containing a huge amount of the fluid is there. That is called sarcoplasmic fluid. Sarcoplasmic fluid, or what is that? Protoplasm, are called as a protoplasm. Called as a plasm. The fluid is called as a protoplasm. So these are which one? The muscle consistent of the endoplasmic reticulum. The muscles are also there is not shown the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum also there in muscle fibers. The endoplasmic reticulum is also there in muscle fibers. Endoplasmic reticulum also there. So what is the important? These are accumulation. These are storage of the calcium ion. Storage of the calcium ion for the rapid contraction, for the contraction of the muscle. These are storage of calcium ion. Storage of the calcium ion for the rapid contraction. So this is the plasma lemma, sarcoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum. So consistent of more number of the mitochondria are there. So it is a unbranched muscle. Skeletal muscle is a unbranched muscle. These are unbranched muscle. So cylinder-like structure. First one, skeleton system is a cylinder-like structure. These are muscles are containing more number of the strips called as white and dark bands are there. So this is the information about the skeletal muscle.